Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Galeon yacht dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this recent arrival, a 2026 Galeon 375 GTO Grand Touring Outboard. This is the first one we've received in with triple V10 400s. Awesome setup, such a modern boat. It's got a yacht feel for an outboard powered boat. You have side deck wings that go down on each side. All faux teak interior. No maintenance, gorgeous vinyl. You have a back-to-back seat here for when you're at anchor, and you have a big drop-down platform when the engines are down, so you got a lot of space to walk behind. Folding radar arch here, so you can get under bridges if you need to. Big sunshade comes out of the top there where the Galeon symbol is. Take a look at this beautiful cockpit. This is seat keeper equipped as well. Look at this cool seating feature here. This is a reversible forward-facing seat, so you can have it face aft too when you want to entertain. Big wet bar here with electric barbecue, refrigerator and storage, wet sink. Look at the helm on this boat. This is out of like a 70-footer. You have electric windows on each side that will go up to fully enclose the boat. You have an electric sunroof that opens up when you want to. Beautiful heavy-duty walk-through door. Their attention to detail is second to none at Galeon. Look at the bow area, size of this. It will convert to a big lounge as well. Easy access to your windlass. Spotlight. Full windshield. Just the modern touch on this boat is just absolutely amazing. No one does it like Galeon. Diesel generator on the boat. This one is Seakeeper equipped, if I didn't mention that already. Of course, joystick driven. Big 16-inch Raymarines. Electric steering column. DTS controls. Inductive charger. Okatech switches everywhere. Air conditioning out here. Look at the gorgeous interior. Their woodwork is absolutely second to none. Amazing tolerances at this factory. So you got a big V-berth area up here. This one has the optional television. Big queen bed back here with another television down there. Microwave in here a little bit. Another refrigerator out of this drawer. Look at the huge windows they even give you in here. And then gorgeous, gorgeous enclosed head with full stall shower. Such a great setup. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2026 Galeon 375 GTO. It is available. First one in the country that we've seen with triple 400 V10 Mercuries. It's a mid-50s, high 50s speed boat here, and it'll cruise at 35 to 40 miles all day long. Here's a quick panorama of our beautiful marina here at Pompano Beach. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.